you were a CA, then you worked.
You are a CA.
Sorry. Yeah.
Wow, you were a CA.
You are a CA. Once a CA, always a CA. You are a CA. But what's your biggest flex? Like, if you had one biggest flex, what would that be?
Just to meet different kind of people.
Do you know like how does one impression gets counted on LinkedIn? Radhika's introduction like only a one-liner intro, guys. So she is India's youngest LinkedIn top voice.
Right. So, what is the most inappropriate thing that a brand is said or done while approaching you guys?
Post
How
a
many
photo.
girls are after you?
Too many girls in his DM.
So, Radhika, I mean, putting yourself out there on LinkedIn, you must get some criticism and some trolls. How do you deal with this?
I'm not going to go ahead unless Devarsh is going to say how much money he has made last year. No, seriously.
Yeah.
Welcome to the first episode of the Bombay Founders Club podcast. We aim for this show to be a little bit serious and a lot of fun. I'm lucky to have two very close friends here, Radhika and Kushal. I know both of you all know each other very well, so why don't you all take the job of introducing each other?
That's a good start. Radhika, why don't you go first?
तेरे बारे में कुछ बोलने को है भी क्या इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए
बहुत
I
अच्छी
mean इतना कुछ है कि मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ
Yeah, that's a
but
good one.
he's been one of the kindest person I know but also one of the rowdiest in Bombay.
Rowdiest.
What do you mean,
Tell us some more.
rowdiest?
Yeah, how's Kushal?
I mean when you see him dance you'll know that you know
Probably.
he's like one of the biggest ragers but doesn't show it on camera what you see in his podcast.
So I dance as if I'm drunk, I think.
Yeah. And he doesn't drink, by
Yeah,
the way.
yeah.
Never has even tasted.
Very economical.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think he's doing a great job in his content creation journey, inspiring many in the camera, behind the camera, you know, everywhere. So,
I think you could have given a better introduction.
No,
I
but-
feel. Yeah. There are a lot of other points which you missed out. But
Now's
ठीक
your
है.
chance to take revenge.
Yeah,
Revenge.
actually. Radhika's introduction, like only a one-liner intro, guys. So she is India's youngest LinkedIn top voice, without LinkedIn giving her this award. So basically, LinkedIn just mentioned the list of LinkedIn top voices, and Radhika was one of them. And उसने check किया कि 15 लोग हैं, मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ, India's youngest डाल देती हूँ. So that is her introduction. So she is India's youngest LinkedIn top voice, and she is also she was working at a law firm, but now she has started her own podcast, I think. And उसके अलावा I think whenever someone asks her कि what do you do for a living, so she answers I am a pro networker. So that is her main job, networking. So whenever I see her in any parties or any events, there'll be like 10 people whom she'll reach out to. She'll like just ask what they're doing, and कुछ ना कुछ मतलब business deal crack कर लेगी.
That sounds lovely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you to both of you all for being here. Right. I wanted to ask you all one thing because I think a lot of people know you all digitally and from online. So, in one line, how's your online presence different from you guys in person?
So I think for me, the online presence that was slightly covered in the previous answer, but online presence is little more sophisticated, or in a way, because I have to like interview a lot of founders and investors and billionaires and all. So I have to keep that little sophisticated. So in real life, I think I am more like a probably mastikhor kind of a guy, or maybe notorious, if you may call. I've never been like the first bencher in my school.
What is the most masti-core thing you've done?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think most mastikhor would be in my hostel maybe. So I was staying in a hostel from 2017 to 2020. तो तभी हमने मतलब क्या होता था कि hostel जाते time there was a curfew of 11:30 p.m. So before 11:30 if you come, then you will be basically allowed to get in the hostel. But 11:30 बजे के बाद then you have to either take a letterhead from your articleship, like from your boss, that you were staying late in the office, and then you have to go through. But I think मतलब मैंने तभी क्या किया था कि letterhead तो मतलब मिलता नहीं था, तो वहाँ पे hostel में पीछे से like there was a gate, and वहाँ से मतलब पूरा एज इन लाइक आई वाज आई थिंक सिंसियर एट दैट टाइम, बट वहाँ पे मतलब पीछे से कैसे तो भी करके एक बहुत बड़ा गेट था. मैंने 3-4 दोस्तों को हेल्प की वजह से दे लाइक हेल्प मी टू गेट इनटू द हॉस्टल, एंड दिस वाज समथिंग व्हिच हैपेंड. एंड
Only you?
या ओनली आई वाज देयर, नो वन एल्स. तो मैं अकेला ही था, एंड that's how I think I'm different. Like the online presence and this presence would be different. And I think in offline setup, right, like when I'm not in front of the camera, I try to be myself, where let's say even if I am supposed to dance like a rowdy, as she mentioned. So I will dance and people will be like, यार ये क्या पी के बैठा है क्या? मतलब ऐसे reactions आएंगे लोगों के. I posted one clip on my Instagram handle on New Year's, and I told that be aware about the videos you see on the last 2 slides. So I had posted like some 15-20 photos, and the last 2 videos were like my dance videos. And मैंने ऐसे लिखा था कि watch at your own risk. And all the comments are flooded with that we've never seen like you dancing like this, or we have never seen this other side and all. तो आई एम मोर लाइक कि मेरे को मतलब जिधर भी जाऊँगा मैं ऐसे मस्ती करूँगा या तो किसी की टांग खींचूंगा, बट ऑनलाइन आई हैव टू बी लिटिल सोफिस्टिकेटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट.
That makes sense. What about you, Radhika?
My face looks so innocent. I don't know how do I explain, but I'm not innocent at all. And so
Yeah.
whenever I meet people,
Why do you think you're not innocent?
because I've got many sides to me, which is not
Like?
seen on
What sides?
LinkedIn, but is seen on Instagram. So you'll have to check my Instagram to know that side.
We're not here plugging your online personalities, guys. You all are doing fairly well online. But offline, what side is there to it?
But people think I'm very nerdy and geek given my look.
Yeah.
But I am very like outgoing, adventurous, not workaholic at
So,
all.
where would someone find Radhika Bajoria, say, on a Saturday night?
At a club.
Which
Without
one?
drinking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Having fun.
I think Soho House only. So
Soho
she's
House?
yeah. So she's taken a membership of Soho House just to put on her
Rubbish.
Insta stories. And पूरे मतलब Soho House की कितनी वो 75,000 per annum की membership ली है. Under 30 वालों को discount में मिलता है. Bargain भी किया था उसने थोड़ा. And bargaining करने के बाद वो वहाँ पे रोज every day after her work you will find her there. And the reason I know is because Insta story पे आ जाता है and location भी रोज Soho House दिखता है.
But aren't
He
you not
dreams
allowed
of
to
me
do
too
that?
much.
Yeah, actually you're right. Soho House में ये allowed नहीं है. But वो
Membership
ऐसे spot पे जाती जहाँ पर कोई रहता नहीं है और वहाँ से photo videos खींचती है.
I'm their ambassador. what to
Membership
do.
cancel now.
Actually.
Oh, God.
You will give us the membership now at Bombay Founders Club then.
Aren't
Yeah.
you guys already part of Bombay Founders Club?
What a subtle plug in, huh?
When the heat's on her, this is
Yeah.
what she does. Okay. I'm sure coming to the next part, that a lot of big brands chase you all aggressively. Right? So, what is the most inappropriate thing that a brand is said or done while approaching you guys?
Yesterday only this happened. I was telling him in the lift at Soho House where we were going. And then this brand, it's a very big conglomerate. I'm not going to name them, otherwise they'll bash me. But they were like, why don't you do a LinkedIn post for us in 9,000? Here I charge above a lakh and they're giving me 9,000. And
Lakh
the
and all.
agency is convincing me to do the post in 9,000. I'm like, just get lost. And by the way, that agency is linked to Kushal as
अरे
well.
कुछ भी ये ऐसे
Oh,
कोई मेरे
now-
से कोई लिंक नहीं है.
Guys, now we need to spill the tea. We need to spill this tea.
And this guy has gotten above a lakh, huh?
अरे यार nothing of that sort. ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. But I think the most inappropriate thing a brand has done, so not inappropriate as such, but I'll tell you one weird thing which happened with a brand. Okay, so again, I am like, see, I am a finance creator. Okay, I am not at all saying that people who do those kind of endorsements are bad in any way. I'm just trying to say that my niche or my persona is a finance kind of a persona. So I got a DM from one of the companies that sell undergarments. Okay, तो उन्होंने बोला कि हम आपको 5 अंडरगारमेंट्स भेजेंगे एंड आपकी साइज़ बता दो. तो मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे रिप्लाई किया, हे आई एम सॉरी बट आई डोंट डू दीज काइंड ऑफ एंडोर्समेंट्स, आई एम सॉरी, आई मीन आई रिस्पेक्ट बट दैट्स नॉट माई पर्सोना. Then again they got a DM कि okay, don't put like we don't want you to put anything, we just want to send you, we just want you to like use our product and feel comfortable and all. And I was like कि ठीक है, मतलब अगर इतना insist कर रहे हैं तो मतलब if you want you guys send, but then मतलब मेरे को इतना कुछ ये नहीं था. मतलब मैंने उनको ऐसे ये नहीं बोला था कि हाँ मतलब भेजो एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट बिफोर सेंडिंग ओनली ऑफकोर्स लाइक दे आर लाइक कि आपको ये पहन के 5 फोटोज आपके प्रोफाइल पे डालने हैं और 2 इंस्टा स्टोरीज डालनी है और सैम्पल फोटोज भेजे कि देखो बाकी क्रिएटर्स ने ऐसा किया है. और एंड दोज क्रिएटर्स अगेन विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि ये सब है, बट आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड. मतलब मैं फाइनेंस क्रिएटर हूँ यार. तो मैं फाइनेंस क्रिएटर में अगर चड्डी पे फोटो डाल रहा हूँ, मेरी ऑडियंस मतलब पूरे ब्लॉक कर देगी या तो अनफॉलो कर देगी. सो आई वॉज लाइक कि यार मतलब तुम लोग देखो कौन से काइंड के क्रिएटर्स कर रहे हैं. एटलीस्ट आई हैव अ नीश की लाइफस्टाइल अलग है, फैशन अलग है, फाइनेंस अलग है. यू कैंट एक्सपेक्ट मी टू डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स. तो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक कि नहीं, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, मेरे पास बॉडी भी नहीं है तो मैं ये नहीं डाल रहा.
How much would somebody have to pay you to be an underwear model?
Wow, that's a good question. I think zero यार. मतलब
Zero? You'll do it for free?
No,
He's
I
too
mean, oh,
cheap.
sorry. Sorry, my bad. I meant that even if someone pays me like whatever, it's like I'm not going to do it, is what I meant. it's nah, I don't think I'll
That's nice.
do that
Yeah.
probably. I don't know.
Yeah, good.
Correct.
Money
मतलब
can't
see,
buy
I'll
कुछ.
tell you, like I think diverting a little bit from the topic, तो बहुत सारे brands है जो मैंने decide किया मैं endorse नहीं करने वाला हूँ because I don't, let's say, like their products or I don't want my audience to like use or indulge into those activities.
So
For
you don't
example,
want your audience to wear underwear?
no, not that one, but let's say, yeah, I mean, let's say you also use a lot of products. You will promote all the products, क्या?
Depends.
Ah,
I've not promoted a single one, guys. I'm not the.
हाँ वैसे so see the point is like for example see poker, okay, so I don't play poker and I don't let's say play any of these card games and my audience knows that and they also respect me for that because I've been very genuine कि मतलब मैं ये सब नहीं करता हूँ. So if there is any brand which is like let's say cards का कुछ promote करना है, तीन पत्ती promote करना है, कोई games रमी games वाले बहुत सारे apps होते हैं, I'll say no to them. Cryptocurrency is something which I'm not a very big fan of. I don't like to indulge into cryptos and I've lost money in cryptos. I've made a lot of mistakes and I don't want my audience कि मेरे से influence होकर आप लोग crypto apps में डालो. So crypto apps is something which I'll say no. Then there are like a lot of other different kind of brands. जैसे अभी recently like SEBI came up with this notification that a lot of apps in the stock market segment are not regulated and they are not legal. So I wouldn't want to promote anything which is under the radar of SEBI or something. So it's just a call which I've taken, but yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah. Radhika, do you have any similar restrictions of what you wouldn't promote?
I promote everything.
How much would it cost for you to be an underwear or promoter?
You mean bikini model? I don't think so. पहली बात ऐसे
I
brands
think-
आएंगे मेरे पास.
I think he
Give
wants
it-
to he wants to see you in that.
No,
maybe. That's
guys,
why.
no. I was not the one who brought up underwear, guys.
No, जब आएगा तब देखेंगे. अब तक तो आया नहीं है तो.
Yeah, you should need to direct them to Radhika now.
Yeah, probably.
I think it was men's underwear brand.
Probably. पता नहीं.
Coming to you, Radhika. So you talk a lot about personal branding and building an authentic personal brand. So what was that moment in your life where you went from creating content on LinkedIn to thinking that this can actually be a serious career for me?
Yeah, at the time when I'd started, it was just by fluke because I was very lonely in college and I really didn't have friends. So I made LinkedIn my friend. And you know, whenever you are active on social media and consider that as your friendship zone, you tend to get more emptier within. And that's what happened with me. So not like it was a very good phase of my life, but I turned that into like a blessing in disguise. And I just thought that, okay, if this is what I'm doing right now, might as well capitalize on it. So when I started writing, a lot of people wrote to me saying that you write well, why don't you write for our profile as well? And then I was the only one back then doing that. So I started doing freelance content writing while I was in my college, when I was just like 18, 19. Not too long ago though. But yeah, that's how it all started. And then I felt like I couldn't manage all the clients. Like I was writing for 10 clients in a day. And even though the lectures were going on in the college, I was just writing for those clients. My attention was never on those teachers or, you know, the subject that they were teaching.
Because
And,
there were no male teachers. That's
no,
why.
they were, but they were not as hot as you, na? So
Wow. They were
I
just
should have
jealous.
in the room. I think this should be renamed the matchmaking podcast.
no, just promoting him so that he gets some fun at least in life. Abhi to bichara kuch kya kare. But that's a topic for another day. So yeah, that's how it all started. I built a team on content writing and then just started leveraging that. Then I got bored of it. I'm like, isme paisa zyada hai nahi. Although volumes are good, the money isn't that much. So I started then connecting founders and investors and started doing deal making, which is of course worth millions of dollars, as you know. So yeah, doing that now.
That's lovely.
So you're making millions of dollars. Huh? अरे बताओ. Answer क्यों नहीं
Kushal,
कर रही?
yeah, this is what Kushal does.
Yeah.
He asks you how much.
So you're making millions of dollars, right? So
अभी नजर नहीं लगानी है मेरे को किसी की.
wow, it means she's
मैंने
making
काला
millions of
पहना है
dollars.
वैसे भी,
Wow,
but
you got a
still.
good title and clickbait. 25-year-old making $1 million a year.
I
Wow.
don't want to say it out loud right now.
Wow.
Okay, tell me something, Radhika. Have you ever posted like a candidate or felt pressure to put something you don't believe in up on LinkedIn because like you have to keep the algorithm happy or this ye chalta algorithm pe?
Yeah, I remember recently I got into yoga and all, so I tried some unique posture, and then one of my friends is like, you know, pictures are working really well these days on LinkedIn. why don't you put up one of your yoga poses and it'll look really good. Although it was really obnoxious. I don't know why I did it, but people told me you'll get good traction, do it. People should see your other side also.
Who are these people? Was it Kushal?
I think it was Devarsh.
He gets it. He gets it personally, no? So why would he?
I have no influence. I have zero ability to influence an influencer's life.
No.
I don't think so.
पहली बात तो हम influencer है नहीं, तो you have
Yeah.
all the ability to influence us. We're just like a human being like you. So that's there. So I just posted that. It's still there on my LinkedIn. It just 2 हफ्ते पहले. It was really weird. I was like अभी तो लोग ने देख लिया, अब क्या delete करूँ मैं? But it didn't get traction either, and I was looking really horrible. So that I did
So are
under
you happy
pressure.
that it didn't get traction?
No, I'm actually like, I just felt that people would be like, क्या डाल रही है ये? इसका दिमाग खराब हो गया है.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Now I know content creation is not something which is cheap when you do it well, right? At some point it costs money for setups, mics. You need physical space, especially in a place like Bombay. And I think you found support from a very unconventional space. So would you like to talk about that and how that journey has been for you?
yeah, so I work at a law firm called Resolute Partners, and I was their first employee when they hired in 2020.
Are you still working there now?
Yeah, I'm still a part of them,
Okay.
and they've become like a family to me now because they literally nurtured me when I was
Lonely.
19 and lonely, correct, and not in the right space. And they hired me basically for content, and the way they reached out to me, by the way, is also a very interesting story. Like one of my posts was trending on LinkedIn, seeing that the managing partner reached out to me saying that I'm setting up a new law firm, would you like to join? I'm like, I've not even done law. I mean, finance भी नहीं पढ़ा है मैंने, marketing पढ़ रही हूँ मैं. Why do you think I'll be a good fit? He's like, you write well, so you write content for us. I'm like, ठीक है, देखते हैं. वैसे भी lockdown था, and I was like doing nothing in my life. I took the plunge, and then on the first day only I told them that I don't think so this will work out because I'm not enjoying this work. But the managing partner was so kind and patient with me. He said that when smart people come together, they work out something. Although I didn't believe I was smart, neither do I believe today that I am. I'm still learning. But yeah, he told me that, and then he made me hire lawyers. Being a non-lawyer, I used to hire people who are 5-6 years elder to me in the profession, and that's how I just developed my people skills over time. And because I did that, I was like, I love talking to people. I want to do more of this, and I want to create a show of my own. And they were very supportive. They were like, whatever you need, we'll help you with it. And because they have a golf simulator, which is a very fancy stuff in their office, it's already very soundproof and has got that setup which is required for a podcast. And they're also a lot into content creation themselves, so they already had the equipments. And then we thought that why don't we do this, and it was like a strategic win-win for both of us because we started with women in private equity, which could be their potential clients because they deal into corporate law. So everybody who would come would meet them, and of course would speak on my show also. So yeah, that's how that partnership worked out. Very, very grateful for how it has happened and how it is still going on.
That's quite unconventional.
Very,
what do
very
you
much.
think about that,
Yeah,
Kushal?
very unconventional, but I'm just surprised कि इसने ऐसा क्या काम किया वहाँ पे जो इतना impress हो गए इससे, and इसको
तू
इतना
इम्प्रेस
ये
नहीं
दे
होता
दिया.
इसका मतलब ये नहीं कोई और इम्प्रेस नहीं हो सकता है.
No, but actually, I think it's like required initially because see, even I mean, you're in this industry and you're also like starting the podcast thing. So it costs a lot to set up, and like especially if you're doing it very professionally, like you have to pay like good amount of money to start one episode of your podcast. So I think if you get that support initially, it really helps you to boost, and then maybe after 6 months or 1 year, then once you start making money, then probably you can give them back whatever they want.
Absolutely. Yeah. So last couple of questions for Radhika, and then we shall move the spotlight over to you, Kushal. So tell me, what is the one myth about being a LinkedIn influencer which annoys you the most, which you get a lot from people?
Yeah, just that I don't go out. I'm like just sitting at my home researching and writing. Although I write my own posts, let me clarify before people start thinking I'm a ghostwriter. Although we run a ghostwriting company also for others, but I still write my own posts.
So Radhika, I mean, putting yourself out there on LinkedIn, you must get some criticism and some trolls. How do you deal with this?
Yeah, I remember once I'd written a post on Byju's, which is what I've been trolled for many times. But this one was really awful because it just got like 11,000 likes in 3 hours. And I was like, what's wrong? Why are people liking it so much? And then I'd written something about White Hat Junior also into it, and how Baiju is a scam, all of that. Then this guy called Pradeep Punya, who had filed a case against White Hat Junior, had appeared in the court and had literally gone to stretches to get his voice out. He had commented on it saying that if you don't delete this post right now, you'll see what will happen next. And I was like, कौन है भाई ये इतना क्यों बोल रहा है? So I तो replied to him back. And then he personally messaged him that I'm giving you a warning and take this very seriously. Then I called one of my friends who's very active on LinkedIn, saying that, who is this guy, do you know him, and why is he telling me this? Then he told me about his history, that who has he been and what is he capable of. So I was like, okay. And then I had to really delete the post, although...
So you took it down?
Yeah, and that's the only time I've ever taken down a post, because... And that time I was like 19. And I didn't know if I have to go into the courts or fight for it. I didn't have the law firm tabhi, so I didn't have that courage. But this was like a very, very low phase for me as well. I was like, why are people pointing so many fingers at me? I've just written a normal post, which the Ken or the morning context would also otherwise write. But I was like very much by myself at that time. I couldn't handle the stress, and I just took it down.
Kushal, have you ever been threatened to be sued over your
No,
content?
not threatened, but yeah, I mean, trolls and hate is like a very common part of any creator's life. And after a point in time, I think every creator has accepted the fact that at some point in time they are going to be trolled or they are going to get some hate. The most viral thing, or maybe the time I got a lot of hate, was on my most viral LinkedIn post. So I had written that I don't have Netflix, I don't have Amazon Prime, I don't drink, I don't smoke. The last movie I watched in theaters was in 2018 called Sanju. Doesn't mean I'm not enjoying my life. For me, enjoyment is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like for me, enjoyment is meeting new people, going on drives, walking on beaches, pulling my sister's leg, etc. Just because you aren't enjoying your life doesn't mean that everyone else is not enjoying your life. Like it's like everyone has different definitions of enjoyment. So that is the post I had written. And it had got 178,000 likes, and there were some 4,200 comments. So a lot of people had commented that like just because we have Netflix, just because we have Amazon Prime doesn't mean that we are doing something wrong. And everyone took it very personally, in the sense that they thought that I'm trying to attack people who are into all these activities. But my point was that I am not into all these things doesn't mean that I'm not enjoying my life. Because I had a conversation with one of my friends the previous day, and she was telling me that why don't you party, why don't you drink, why don't you smoke, when will you enjoy your life, if not today then when? So I was like, I mean, I am enjoying my life, just that my definition of enjoyment is different from yours. So that was the conversation which I put it on LinkedIn. And people were commenting so much, my God. One of the funniest comments, like we also laugh a lot whenever a group of friends, we sit together, whenever we are like having some low moment or whenever we feel we should laugh, they open that LinkedIn post and uske comment section dekhte hai. And the comments are like filled with so much hate and so much laughter. Like there are comments like, there's a guy from US, he works at TCS in the US, and he's at a senior position, and he commented I think some 15-20 lines stating that why is watching Netflix, Amazon Prime, drinking, smoking good for yourself. And then there were like 99 people who were fighting against him. There were like some fights happening in the comment section, etc. People were writing that you
just
don't
like to
have
watch the world burn. Huh?
Yeah. People were commenting that you don't have Netflix, you don't have Amazon Prime. What about Jio Cinema? आपका तो आपका तो आपने वो डाला ही नहीं कि आपके पास Jio Cinema है कि नहीं, वो भी डालो. मतलब all sort of comment. And of course I laugh at it because like it's very silly after a point in time. So I got a lot of troll, but I was like ठीक है, मतलब मैं delete नहीं करने वाला है, because I am like ठीक है, अगर भले ही hate मिल रहा है, it's fine. But I am like, I'm going to put my view out there in the market. And that post was I think reposted by people across the country, like across the world. For example, I got a message from someone in Japan, someone in Europe, someone in US, and a lot of people had texted me that we relate to this post a lot. And I was like, ठीक है, मतलब there are like some haters, but it's fine. If you see, there were 10.7 million impressions, which is 1 crore views, but there were 4,000 comments, out of which I think 200, 300 would be bad. So in a way, what I tried to convince myself was कि 300 out of 1 crore is negligible. That is the way I convinced myself कि 300 लोग हैं वो जो नाराज हो गए, but 1 करोड़ लोगों ने देखा है, तो 300 out of 1 crore is like a negligible percentage. I can't make everyone happy. So that was the way I took it, and then I decided कि okay, even if I get some sort of hate, it means I am growing as a creator, and which is okay.
Yeah, but that's the thing about negativity, you know, like you can have a lot of positivity in the world and a lot of people can come and give you compliments. but that one bad thing that someone says just sticks with you all day.
Yeah.
It's how, even though it sounds small, I'm sure it must have had an impact. So how do both of y'all deal with this?
So see, I think initially it used to affect a lot. It used to be like कि यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मतलब मैं इतना अच्छा काम करने जा रहा हूँ, and then why are people just abusing, or why are people cursing so much? Initially it used to affect, especially when you start new. I remember when I got my first hate comment. I started my YouTube in May 2020, and I got my first hate comment in I think September 2020. And I had put down a very motivational video for all the students out there, that how do you stay motivated while this lockdown is going on, and how do you just focus on studying. So that was the content I used to create back in 2020. And one student commented that तू ये सब ज्ञान हमको मत दे, हमको ये सब पता है, तू हमको सिर्फ बता कि हमारी एग्जाम्स कब कंडक्ट होगी. And that frustration was there because Institute of Chartered Accountants of India had postponed because of the COVID pandemic. So the exams had been postponed, and every student was frustrated because they had studied for 5 months just to know that the exams have been postponed by another 6 months. So the pain and pressure and the frustration which students had, they wanted to vent out their feelings, and since they couldn't vent it out to their friends or anyone else, they thought social media is the best place I can vent out my feelings to. So that is one of the main reasons why people give you hate, because either they are very lonely in their lives, or they want to vent out, they can't vent it out to their friends or family, or they are like going through a lot of bad phase in their lives and they just want to like write something so that they feel good about it. So I have made myself satisfied कि भले ही hate आए तो ठीक है, उसकी life खराब है, मैं इसको ignore करने वाला हूँ. And that happens with every creator, be it as prestigious as someone like a Nikhil Kamath, who is like doing extremely well in his podcasting ecosystem. Even on some of his videos or some of his shorts, there will be someone who will be commenting negative about him. And that is true with everyone. It's just that we have to accept it and just move on, is what I've realized.
Makes sense. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the spotlight on you, Kushal.
I was only speaking, no?
Yeah, but now we are going to be on the
I'm just
spotlight. Now,
kidding, yeah.
I've seen you do this thing on a lot of your reels, and I'm going to now flip it around.
Well, I'm not going to say how much money I make for sure, if that is going to be the question.
That is. So, Kushal, you can choose to deny to answer, but then you're setting the precedent for all your guests in the future. Okay, so think about this a little carefully. How much money did you make last year?
Last year, I don't know actually, because profits wise, I think.
आप CEO हो साहब, how do you
तो
know?
मेरे सीए को पता होगा, क्योंकि मैं मेरे खुद के रिटर्न्स फाइल नहीं करता हूँ. बट आई थिंक प्रॉफिट्स वाइज, I'll tell you, in this industry, it's very uncertain in the sense that some months are good. I'll give you a range, okay? Like, for example, some months are so good that you can make, like with my followers that I have, some months are good where I had made around 19.05 lakhs. That was the highest I had made in 1 month. And some months are not so good where, let's say, you don't get a lot of brand deals or you don't get a lot of collaborations, where minimum I think it would be around 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs per month. So that is a very subjective thing. In some months you can like get a lot of brand deals, as like for example if you're active on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. So your charges also depend on what kind of followers you have. So for a creator with around 1 million followers on YouTube, they can expect to earn anywhere between 10 to 15 lakhs a month, including YouTube income plus brand collaborations. So one of my very close friends, Ishan Sharma, he disclosed in his video that he has 1.6 million subscribers, and he made 35 lakhs in a month, but on an average he makes around 15 to 20 lakhs a month. So which is around, this is revenue again, this is not profit. So which is in the range of 2.5 crores every year. So that is the range which creators are making these days. But yeah, for me, I think I have diversified my income sources, honestly. So one is the content creation thing, one is the stocks, which is investments. One is basically I help a few people, I consult a few people on their social media strategies and help a few brands in terms of what kind of content they can put on social media. That is another consulting thing. And one source of income is basically, like this is passive again, it's about like the mutual funds, and I keep like heavily investing in mutual funds and all of that. So I think I have diversified in a way that helps me to just stay focused and stay a little relaxed, in the sense that अगर एक कोई चीज़ नहीं चली तो कोई ना कोई दूसरी चीज़ है जो चल सकती है. I also run an education startup, so that is again a separate source of income for me.
What do you not do?
A lot of things
Smoking.
actually. Yeah.
Netflix, Amazon Prime,
Geo Cinema.
Jio Cinema.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Lot
but
of
thank you
things
for
there.
answering that, and
Yeah.
thank you for being honest about it.
No, but the same question has to be answered by both
हो
of you.
गया ना
नहीं,
भाई
नहीं.
मेरा
नहीं,
तो
नहीं,
Yeah, नहीं,
it's when you invite us on
Tell
your
me.
podcast.
Yeah,
No, no, first
exactly.
tell me, no,
You
no, I
तो
am not
call us.
invite करो
I
तो
am
हम
not
बात
going to
करेंगे.
go ahead unless Devarsh is going to say how much money he has made last year. Come on, Devarsh, you have to say.
Broadcast startup founder, हमारा तो सिर्फ burn चलता है.
नहीं, नहीं, but
concept
फिर
of
भी
making
यार.
money is a little alien for us.
Of course, man, you are like shooting. in
But
this
we are asking
professional
you
setup and
revenue,
all.
not profit.
Yeah, revenues,
Revenue
exactly.
तो you can tell.
हाँ.
नहीं रही. Okay.
नहीं, नहीं, you
Coming
have to
the-
tell, man. Of course, you have to tell. How much money? Everyone wants to know. See, everyone is looking. They want to know how much money did Devarsh make
So
last
to be
year.
frank, last year we had started Bombay Founders Club. Ran it as a passion project, so was honestly living off my savings as a lawyer for several months, and only started monetizing it in November, and now heading towards sustainability. So
Okay, so let me change my question.
Yeah.
What is the highest amount of money you've made in 1 year throughout your life?
I'd say about 30 lakhs when I was a
Got
lawyer.
it. When you were in?
When I was a lawyer.
Lawyer.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Got it.
No, you want to ask more, or that's it?
So now it's more than that or less than that?
Of course, more than that. Yeah, what is this question?
As we don't
Of
talk
course,
about all
more
of
than
this.
that.
We don't talk about all of this. Okay. Anyways, so you were a CA, then you worked.
You
at
are a CA.
Sorry. Yeah.
Wow, you were a CA.
You are a CA. Once a CA, always a CA. You are a CA. Worked at a VC fund, right? How did content creation seem like the next logical step? I'm just because it's a very interesting
Yeah.
journey, and I think you were one of the first few who did this jump. So would love to know where that came from.
Yeah, sure. So I started content in May 2020, and sorry. Luckily, I had got all India ranks in all the 3 levels of CA exams, and students used to ask me the same set of questions that कुशल भैया आपने पढ़ाई कैसे की, कुशल भैया आपने क्लासेस कहाँ पे ज्वाइन किए थे, भैया मैं डिस्ट्रैक्टेड रहता हूँ, कैसे पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दूँ, and all of that. So I started with videos where I used to tell everyone that how to, let's say, get a rank in CA exams, which classes to join, how to study in the last 1.5 days before your paper. That was a very academic, student-focused content. And I did that because a lot of people used to ask me same set of questions on LinkedIn. So I thought that instead of replying to everyone, let me try to make a video and share that link with everyone so that it is easier for me also. And that's how I started the YouTube journey. I never thought that I will become like a full-time creator at that time. And I just, like when I got my first brand deal from Unacademy, they had done a contract for 4 videos a month, 2,500 rupees per video they used to pay. And I was so happy कि यार मैं एकदम इतना सा करके 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स पे और मैं 10,000 रुपये महीने के कमा सकता हूँ through this YouTube and through this brand collaboration. So tabhi it was like altogether a different thing only. So that's how I started YouTube, by just guiding CA students. Then I realized कि अभी CA content exhaust हो गया, तो let me start my own podcast. So September 2020 is the month and year when I started my podcast called Conversation with Kushal, and I started interviewing my own friends who got into companies like BCG, Blackstone, JP Morgan, and how did they get into there and what is the work profile. And then I started writing. I used to write on a diary and a piece of paper, and then I thought कि whatever is shareable, let me write it as a LinkedIn post. So December 2021 I started writing on LinkedIn very actively, and then Instagram happened in October 2022 because this short form content का trend had come where people wanted to see कि okay 30 seconds में उनको कुछ knowledge दो या तो उनको कुछ ज्ञान दो थोड़ा जिससे उनकी life में impact होगा या तो entertainment दो. So then I started with Instagram. So this is how I started my content journey. And the day I quit my job, which is 30th June 2022, to be honest with you, like my income from content creation was more than the income from salary. I was getting a salary of 20 lakh per annum at Aditya Birla Group. The raise was going to happen to 25 lakhs per annum the next year for all of us who were there at Aditya Birla Group. So basically the opportunity cost was कि अगर मैं 25 लाख रुपए content से कमा पाऊंगा तो मैं content में अच्छा कर लूँगा. And that number had already been surpassed in 2022 only. So despite giving 5% of my week's time, तो मैंने सोचा कि अगर मैं 5% हफ्ते का दे रहा हूँ और मैं अगर यहाँ से 25 लाख कमा सकता हूँ कंटेंट से हर साल, तो अगर मैं इसको 5 को अगर मैं 100% लेके जाऊँ तो मैं तो फिर इसको अच्छे से स्केल कर सकता हूँ and I can also like make more money. That was the main reason कि मैंने जॉब छोड़ दिया जून 2022 में, and then I decided कि let me start something of my own in the entrepreneurship space or the content space. And then I started like my own journey in the sense I quit my job, then I wrote 2 books, and then content became something full time because यहाँ पे of course पैसा भी था, plus मज़ा भी आ रहा था, plus recognition भी था, and I think I was able to meet new people. The best part about my job as a podcaster is that I get to meet 3-4 new people every week who are very, very smart, and I get to learn like from all the best people in the industry. So that is something which I really, really like about my job.
Come to Bombay Founders Club. I'll make you meet 50 of them every week.
Of
Across
course.
all industries.
Yeah.
Okay. But Kushal, one of the things that I think stuck with me. And I remember that we were having this discussion the last time we met over dinner. Your life seems to be like the epitome of how somebody our age should be in terms of the way you work, in terms of your discipline, in terms of your dedication. Now, I'm sure you've spoken about this a lot, right? About your discipline, your dedication. But how do you balance burnout? Are there moments when you feel low and like just exhausted? And how do you deal with those moments?
Yeah, I mean, everyone has to go through these low phases or burnouts in their lives. But the way I deal is that I usually feel if, let's say, I am now burnt out, or let's say, like, I'm just exhausted of this work, I'm like, I won't be able to learn something new in the coming week if I don't meet, let's say, 2 or 3 new people. That is one. The second is that I already have like a good number of people, good number of audience as a base, and I have to give something back to them because they have showed their trust and faith in subscribing the channel, and then they are also consuming the content for 2 long hours. Like each podcast episode is of 2 hours or 3 hours. They are investing their 3 hours of their time, which means that you have to be on your toes to understand that you have to give them the most value additive content in those 3 hours. So that is the way I think about कि अगर burnout भी हो रहा है तो I have to give something back to them. And the third thing is that whenever let's say if I am in a low phase or I am just like exhausted, I will try to refresh, or I will try to just do something which will make me a little relaxed and just calm and peaceful. And also I regularly like go to the gym, play table tennis every day from 9:30 to 10 p.m. So I have a very organized life. I have everything on my calendar. For example, today also when we were coming, unlike Radhika, I was on time and I came.
I was on time for the shoot.
Not at all, not at all.
The lunch was missed.
So
to be
basically,
honest.
I had this in my calendar. So I had blocked the calendar. So you won't believe. I think people might judge me for saying this, but I have everything calendarized in the sense that going to the gym, playing table tennis 9:30 to 10, talking to my mom 2 to 2:15 p.m, talking to my dad 10 to 10:15 p.m. Then let's say having some meetings in the morning, evening, everything is calendarized. Having my lunch 1:30 to 2 p.m. is lunchtime. Dinner is 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So everything is calendarized, which helps me to stay systematic and organized and focused. So even if let's say I know that this is something which I need not have done in the past week, so I'll know that after the week is over. So I'll just have a look at my calendar and I'll see which were some non-productive things I did, which were some productive things that I did, and what is something I have to do better this week so that I can just be focused and productive. So this is something which I do whenever, like, let's say there is any moment. And low phase, I think one way to answer this is like I have gone through a lot of creative blocks. So Radhika might relate. So every creator has to go through a creative block. What that means is that you don't get ideas. You don't get anything. मतलब कि क्या डालना है, क्या लिखना है. As a writer also, like कि मैं क्या लिखूँ मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. मेरे को क्या रील बनानी है समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. टॉपिक क्या लेना है, I don't know anything. So that time you have to like just figure out, take a break, go somewhere, travel the world, or just go somewhere and sit idle for a day or two, and you get like the best of the best ideas, which has happened with me also. And that has helped me in order to just stay focused and be at it. So every week I know कि 2 videos जाने YouTube पे Tuesday and Saturday तो जाने ही वाले. And now I have created a system of like let's say 9 people and autopilot पे, जहाँ पर I know I have a buffer till 27th of March कि 2 videos per week के हिसाब से मेरे पास 27th March तक का content है. And today is what? Today is 27th of Jan, right? Today, 28th of Jan. So it's like 2 months.
Madam, yesterday was Republic Day. Today is 27th.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So is this a Alia Bhatt moment? Sorry.
So today is 27th Jan. So 2 महीने का buffer है already. So even if I am going out on a vacation or even if I am traveling, so I know that okay, मतलब team है जो पूरा मतलब ensure करेगी कि like everything is going fine.
So on one side, I've got a creator who is calendarized every 15-minute chunk. I think so regular people on their Instagrams, etc., get DMs largely from their friends or reels when their friends are using the loo or something of that sort. But you guys get DMs, or must be getting DMs, I'm assuming, from everybody, right? Or a larger cross-section of society. So what are some of the most savage DMs that you guys have received?
Go first.
I'd put this story in Vietnam with a sunset. And then one random person is messaging me saying that sunset is nothing in front of you when you're shining so bright. I mean,
So did he say I was just kidding?
huh?
Did he say I was just
No, he was not you, nah. Otherwise, he would have said it.
No, I'm sure because he must be joking only.
Then I shared this with my ex-boyfriend.
Oh, wow. Devar, she shared with you?
No, hey, guys, what? No. Just to set the record straight. No.
No,
Okay.
not him.
That's-
Somebody else. You
oh,
know.
somebody else. Okay, then.
Yeah. Then.
So next time you'll share it with Kushal after this
Not
What
at all.
nonsense.
No.
podcast. Oh,
I have my standards, bro.
Yeah, he's too low standards, na?
Yeah.
So he can't match up.
oh God.
हाँ ठीक है, continue the story. Yeah.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah, so he told me block him. Sadly, he got blocked. So the conversation also got blocked.
So you blocked
Couldn't-
him
Yeah.
because he was lying. That's why.
Yeah.
Yes,
I
she
only
agrees.
take truth bombs.
Kushal, what about you? What was the most savage DM?
Yeah,
that
one
you
weirdest
received?
DM from a girl. So she messages, "Hi, will you marry me?" So this was the weird one, and of course I didn't reply.
Did
but,
did she say just joking?
No, she didn't. So bus I say, "Hi, will you marry me?" question mark. Then I think another weird DM. Yeah, actually I don't know. I mean, there's some person who's like almost on every story will try to find some flaw in my story. So I'll give you a simple example. Yesterday I posted a story, Insta story, where it was a candid photo and I had worn my watch and थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा था watch. तो उस और एकदम नीचे था वो, मतलब इट वॉज नॉट इवन विजिबल. सो ही डीएम मी कि भैया आपकी वॉच गलत है, थोड़ी ऊपर पहना करो आप नेक्स्ट टाइम जब फोटो डालोगे. देन आई एम लाइक लेट्स से वेयरिंग हुडी एंड हुडी में भी कुछ आई थिंक मतलब मैंने शायद पीछे वो बराबर से हुआ नहीं था, मतलब इन द सेंस इट वॉज नॉट लाइक वेरी प्रॉपर इन द सेंस कि वो एकदम ऐसे पता नहीं रैंडम था पीछे में वो जो हुडी होता है ना पीछे वाला. तो ही वॉज जस्ट मैसेजिंग कि ऐसे नहीं रखते इसको, इसकी स्टाइल इज़ लाइक यू हैव टू प्लेस इट somewhere else ऐसे वगैरह कुछ करके बोल रहा था. Like there's a person who would find flaw in every story.
Would you hire such a person?
Not really. Actually, that's a good question. I think it depends. So let's say now I don't know how to judge this person, but it's like कि either the person can be too observant, which is also good, but at the same time, the person can also be very negative. So I don't know unless I talk to that person. So being observant is good. That okay, like this is something which no one observed. But like being very, like let's say negative about all the things, all the stories. So he has also abused me sometimes on my stories.
So I don't think he's getting.
So I won't hire him, of course.
Sorry, then you're.
But then abused because कि ये क्या time मतलब gave some bad words and like he's like कि ये सब क्या time pass करता रहता है, काम धंधा नहीं क्या तेरे पास. फिर that same guy messages I think कि ये CA क्या तूने क्या videos बनाने के लिए CA किया था क्या, CA क्यों किया फिर ऐसे वैसे. So that is like something weird, but which is fine. I think every creator has to go through that. And then there is another girl. I mean she keeps messaging me all the time. So if let's say I am posting an Insta story of a restaurant or somewhere, so she will like, can I come here? Or then if I let's say
Kushal,
post
how
a
many
photo,
girls are after you?
Too many girls in his
one,
DM.
no.
Yeah,
But
because
nobody.
half of them are just people asking you to marry them and.
no one. So this is just the good part in the sense that this is the positive part, but negatives भी बहुत होते हैं DM में. But no girl is after me because I'm not smart like you. I don't look smart like you, man. That's why.
Sure.
But yeah, I think this was the weirdest. Email एक आया था weird. So weird email ये था कि I will commit suicide if you don't read this, okay? And then this was the subject line. And then when I opened that email, then the person says that कि I just wanted your attention, so now please read my email and solve my doubt. I have a doubt. So I was like, क्या यार लोग क्या क्या करते हैं, मतलब just to get your attention ऐसे subject line मतलब इतना ऐसे ये लिख देते हैं. Of course, that's very scary. तो ऐसे वाले आते रहते हैं.
Wow. Okay. Now both of you all have achieved a lot. You have done some great things. You know, you all have definitely made a name for yourself. But what's your biggest flex? Like, if you had one biggest flex, what would that be?
Just to meet different kind of people, including places where normal people can't reach. Like recently I went to Coldplay for free through the police in Navi Mumbai.
You've just gotten most of India to hate you now.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
So that is something that I don't really know how I do it, but it just like it flows seamlessly, you know. I just talk to people and then they like my personality.
And they take you to Coldplay for free.
And then I just randomly DM'd this police who works on the ground force in Coldplay. And then he's like, try कर सकते हैं, पता नहीं होगा नहीं. तो इंडिया में try का मतलब हाँ ही होता है आजकल.
हमारे लिए तो नहीं होता है.
पता था, मेरे लिए तो try का मतलब नहीं होता है.
Exactly.
अगर सामने वाला बोल रहा है I'll try, it means no.
Yeah. We are not India's youngest LinkedIn top voice, no.
पुलिस को बोला था क्या I am the India's youngest LinkedIn top
Not
voice?
at all. But मैंने बस बोला I really want to come for the second day also and witness all of
यार
this.
मेरे को
Secondly,
ये-
also,
Yeah.
तो
I
तू
went
दोनों
back to
दोनों
back.
दिन गई
हाँ.
और फ्री में दोनों दिन?
नहीं, पहले दिन पे की थी मैं, फिर तब रियलाइज हुआ कि ज्यादा पे कर दिया.
कितना
कुछ
पे
तो
किया था?
दूसरे- तेरे से कम ही किया
हाँ,
था. तूने 18,000 भरा है, मैंने 15 भरा था. बाय द वे ही आल्सो वेंट विदाउट अ टिकट. ब्लैक में
अरे
खरीद के आया
कुछ भी
स्टेडियम के
नहीं
बाहर.
नहीं कुछ भी मेरे
You
पास
told
टिकट
me
था.
the story, by the
कोई
way.
नहीं, मैंने तो टिकट
Such a
खरीदा.
liar.
टिकट खरीदा मैंने और मैं अंदर से बराबर गया. बट ये पुलिस वोलिस को फ्री में यार, दिस इज लाइक नेक्स्ट लेवल.
oh god.
So I think my biggest flex would be very optimistic mindset. I don't think कि कुछ हो नहीं सकता. मुझको लगता है कुछ ट्राई करोगे तो सब हो सकता है. That's the only thing.
नहीं बट एक मिनट यार, मेरे को कोल्ड प्ले का समझना है. तो ये पुलिस एक मिनट ये बता कि क्या पुलिस, एक मिनट पहली बात तो पुलिस वाले को क्यों रीच आउट किया? कोल्ड प्ले के
क्योंकि वो लोग-
ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को करती ना.
They're too busy to look at my
तो
message.
पुलिस वाले फ्री बैठे हैं.
हाँ.
हाँ
I observed no on day one कि किससे जुगाड़ हो
If you
सकता
ever
है.
caught it at Nakabandi, Radhika is who you
गॉड
call.
यार, पुलिस वाले के साथ
अरे
यार,
देर
वाह।
एनीवेज लाइक बोर्ड. तीसरा दिन है, 2 दिन से एक ही चीज देख रहे हैं, एक ही गाना सुन रहे हैं. देर आल्सो जस्ट
But how did you find out which police force
हाँ,
was at
exactly.
Coldplay? Because Coldplay तो 2 दिन के लिए.
question.
हाँ.
So I had tagged DY Patil in my story first day पे when I had gone. Then they had reposted. So I was just seeing which other stories have they put. Then उसमें एक repost पुलिस वाले का था. I'm like अरे let's catch him.
क्या वैली है यार ये.
Yeah, you call whatever you wanted.
रिपोस्ट देखना वगैरह.
But if I
No,
want to
actually
get
efforts.
something,
Yeah, actually,
I get it.
Yeah, actually.
In
वैली तो नहीं
somebody's
है.
mind it will be
But
bullshit, but in my mind it was a great experience, and all that matters to me is
So,
that.
so which one was better? Free में जाके देखना या पैसे देके देखना?
I watched once standing में and then once ऊपर stadium पे.
Free वाला कौन सा था?
Stadium पे, but each one had its own set of experience. But I went alone, तो मेरे को इतना मजा नहीं. I think people always matter.
तो वहाँ पे
They
थे
should be
50,000
around.
लोग तो थे ना.
But मेरे जान पहचान के नहीं थे ना.
तो डीएम कर
तेरे
देती ना,
जैसे
डीएम
के
कर देती
I
है.
thought
Yeah, I am
the
at
police will
Coldplay.
fix Yeah, I thought the
डीएम
police
कर
will
देती
fix
ना.
you.
देख
These
वहाँ
lights didn't guide me home.
Ah,
सी वैसे भी लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैड टैग डीवाई पाटिल, तो वहाँ पे वापस स्टोरीज देखती सबको डीएम, हे आई एम हियर, कैन वी मीट.
तेरे जितना टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास ये सब करने का.
बट यार क्रेजी यार, पुलिस वाले को डीएम करके कोल्ड प्ले फ्री में करवाना.
Kushal, what's your biggest flex?
कुछ है ही नहीं, मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं है मेरे पास. पुलिस वाले को ये डीएम करके मेरे को ये सब
His
मिला है.
flex would be that he gets too many
क्या?
chicks
अरे
easily.
यार कुछ भी बोल रही है, पागल है क्या? नहीं ये सब तो नहीं है. आई थिंक फ्लेक्स क्या होगा? दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट वुड बी माय बिगेस्ट फ्लेक्स? यार ऑनेस्टली इट्स अ टफ वन यार. मतलब मेरे इसमें ऐसे कुछ ये नहीं है कि
That
मैं
you need to select from, no?
नहीं, मतलब आई डोंट नो कि
It would be like to not have a flex, still get so many attention from.
नहीं सही में यार कुछ
everywhere.
ऐसे आई डोंट हैव एनी फ्लेक्स एज सच. मतलब आई हैव नॉट डन, मतलब आई हैव नॉट डन समथिंग लाइक दिस आल्सो इन द सेंस किसी को डीएम करके ये सब किया.
But you
या
can
तो-
talk about how you reached out to some of the greatest guests for
हाँ
your promotion.
probably yeah, that's a good point. So I think yeah, this might be, I don't know flex होगा कि नहीं, but yeah I think this I really wanted to interview the Dean of Harvard Business School, Dr. Shrikant Datar, and he is an Indian Chartered Accountant awarded Padma Shri by the government of India, and he is now the Dean of HBS, which is like the best B school of the world. And I wanted to host him, and I had reached out to him on email on 10th July 2021. I got a reply on 17th July 2021 from him stating that he'll do it at the later year in his deanship because he's occupied because of COVID pandemic. Then I followed up on 26th Jan 2022. I remember all these dates very clearly. 26th Jan 2022, I followed up. And then I get a reply from his assistant on 28th Jan 2022 stating that he won't be able to do it because he's very occupied. We are very sorry. I was like, यार पहले हाँ बोला था. So I really wanted to host him and I had told a lot of my friends कि I'm going to host this person on my podcast. Then somehow I was like कि चलो next year वापस try करेंगे. 30th April 2023, which is almost 1 year from that date of the previous email, 1 year 3 months. तो तब मैंने वापस एक फॉलो अप किया कि कैन आई प्लीज़ होस्ट यू सर, आई हैव बिन फॉलोइंग अप एंड आई हैव रिसेंटली होस्टेड दीज पीपल ऑन माई पॉडकास्ट. I get a reply from his assistant immediately after 2 hours stating that Shrikant sir would be happy to do this and we can do it on 17th July 2023 at 8:30 a.m. EST, which was 6 p.m. 6 p.m. EST, which was 8:30 a.m. at my place या उल्टा उल्टा मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा अभी. मेरे यहाँ पे इवनिंग था and उनके यहाँ पे मॉर्निंग था.
so 8:30 a.m. there
हाँ
and-
8:30 a.m. and 6 p.m. IST. हाँ correct, this was the case. And I was very happy because if you see 10th July 2021 to 17th July 2023, it took me almost exactly 2 years to get some answer and get an interview with the Dean of Harvard Business School. So I think the message which I was trying to give everyone here was that just be persistent. Whatever you want, you can achieve that. Just wait to hear a yes or a no. If you hear a no, that is fine. Don't be desperate to keep following up again and again. But if you hear a yes, capitalize on that opportunity. So my biggest flex would be like reaching out to a lot of billionaires and meeting them, converting them for my podcast or for my book interviews, etc. And being in touch with them after the podcast is over.
Wow. So you had to wait 2 years for that.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was
Adhika, how long did you have to wait for Coldplay?
Just a few hours.
तूने DM कब किया? 1-2 घंटे पहले?
उसी दिन सुबह.
How do you feel now?
छोड़ो यार, ये सब तो नहीं होगा. Yeah, I mean 2 घंटे सुबह से मैसेज करना और Coldplay जाना, it's actually that is a much bigger flex. And
No, I don't think.
Each
I
one
think,
to its own,
Yeah, I
yeah.
think both of you all have
Yeah.
some crazy things to flex about, and you're not choosing to be very modest.
नहीं
Yeah,
ऐसा.
so that's good.
शायद वो पुलिस वाले ने वियतनाम वाली फोटो देख ली होगी तो रिप्लाई कर लिया होगा.
नहीं.
It's all about the sunsets. Seven sunsets.
और मे बी इसने मैसेज किया होगा, hey, I would love to see the sunset with you next time.
Everybody is not so cheap like you, Kushal, messaging this to girls.
I'm just
Huh?
kidding यार.
Okay.
You think ये on camera is behaving एकदम ऐसे जैसे कि एकदम serious है.
है ना?
And जैसे कैमरा गएगा ना तभी उधर हम
exactly.
लोग लंच कर रहे थे ना.
हाँ.
He was telling कि अरे आज तो एकदम ऐसे इतनी मैं मस्ती रोस्ट करने
हाँ.
वाला हूँ ये वो.
I said.
वो बाकी
no such
segment
thing.
I think अभी आने वाला है.
Yeah. Wait for it. Wait for it. That's all thanks to our producer Suryadeep.
Yeah.
Okay. I know both of you all are very active on LinkedIn. And I know LinkedIn as a platform, especially in India, gets a lot of hate. Kya re yaar, people there just keep talking about themselves, everybody does self-glorification, blah, blah, blah. What is the one thing that you guys see on your LinkedIn feeds which you absolutely despise?
I remember this one person had put a selfie in a ganji, white ganji. जैसे कि वो डॉलर की ऐड कर रहा है. वो what is that बनियान called? अरे ब्रांड है ना कोई.
Was this Kushal? Sorry. With the underwear.
What is that brand called?
कौन
Dollar
सी?
something.
डॉलर.
Yeah, which Akshay Kumar has done.
मेरे को तो वो
an
पता है
ad
रूपा
for.
फ्रंट लाइन.
हाँ वैसा ही.
वो है.
हाँ तो वैसा ही कुछ था. Then he posted that and उस पे he is writing the story of how that brand had started. And just to make it more relevant and get traction, he posted actually a picture in that.
Yeah, that's cool, no?
It's cool, but it was like very unique.
हाँ
I
तो
mean,
Yeah, but like what do you
LinkedIn पे ये
despise?
सब-
Like what do you see and you're like, अरे यार
I
फिर
don't
से
think
नए
you'll
types.
despise on this. I'll appreciate that guy for the effort that he has put in.
But like बहुत cringe था.
पता नहीं.
Yeah, the content was also like okayish. But what I despised was somebody just putting a picture of her holiday without any connection with the post.
Yeah,
that
but
she
again,
did.
that is common on LinkedIn. I
But
feel.
that's very wrong to do it,
मतलब in the
yeah.
sense that
It's not related.
let's say I do that where कुछ photo डालना पड़ता है unrelated to the post because the
I
LinkedIn
think I was
algorithm.
talking about him only.
Because the LinkedIn algorithm pushes that. That's
हाँ,
why.
yeah.
तो उससे despise मतलब उसमें क्या
But
despise
it's
करना?
like LinkedIn was not meant to be that kind of a platform.
Yeah, fair.
So-
I agree.
Okay. Now I want to ask you a very serious question, which I think a lot of creators, content creators, and founders are dying to know. Because both of you all have clearly cracked the algorithm, so to speak. So, in your words, what is the LinkedIn algorithm as you understand it?
So I'll tell you like 2-3 things which I have understood. One is that your LinkedIn post should be in the range of 250 to 300 words and between 1200 to 1600 characters. That is the ideal LinkedIn post. The second is that don't use more than 3 or 4 hashtags, at the max 5. Hashtags is not going to make a post viral, or matlab, if you use like 15-20 hashtags, it doesn't mean that it will give you virality. The third is that, at least with me it has worked, always put a photograph with a caption, and if it is a related photo then it's the best. But if you can't find a related photo, then it's okay to put unrelated photo according to me, because LinkedIn algorithm pushes posts which has photographs. And I did a study. I took out my last 30 LinkedIn posts with photo and without photo, and the post with photo had 25% on an average higher impressions as compared to post without photos. Now the new LinkedIn algorithm is promoting a lot of videos, by the way. So if you are someone who wants to be a LinkedIn creator today, start posting videos. If you want, put it every alternate days or put it twice a week, and use a hashtag called LI Video India, which is LinkedIn Video India. And if your video is like watched by a lot of people, and if LinkedIn team gets to know that you are putting more videos, they'll automatically push it to more newer audience. And regarding time of posting, I did a poll with my audience that what is the time you are most active on, and I got a reply that 6 p.m. is the time they are most active on. That's why I put out my post at 6 p.m. sharp every alternate day or every day. I put it 7 days a week now, which is 4 videos a week and 3 photo posts a week at 6 p.m. sharp. And there's a team who will do all of that. And one other advice is that don't put posts within an 18-hour range. For example, if you're putting it at 6 p.m., then don't put the next post before कितना हो गया 12 noon. तो 12 बजे के पहले मत डालो, तो next day पे 6 p.m. को ही डालो. Ideally, if that is the case, then you will get like good sort of traction. One more thing is don't put external links on the post. If you put external links on the post, LinkedIn will get to know that you are directing your audience to another website, and LinkedIn wouldn't want that to happen. So they will definitely try to not promote this post because उनको नहीं चाहिए कि LinkedIn छोड़ के कोई दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाए. So try to put the link in the comment section and put it link is in the comments if you want to see, so that the algorithm will not hamper the reach of this post. So I think these are some points.
Radhika, anything to add?
Yeah, he said everything, but I think I've never been driven by rules, and I've never followed any of the algorithms. I just would recommend that be consistent, because consistency is the new algorithm. A lot of people start writing and then their creative block aa jata hai, and then they don't continue only. But I've been writing almost every day since 6 years now, and LinkedIn is giving that top voice badge in different sectors now to people, like top voice in economics, in venture capital, in politics, to people who are continuously writing on a particular niche
But
every day.
Do they also give
So-
like youngest and oldest top voice?
That is for us to decide. We know how to brand ourselves very well. थोड़ा self intelligence भी होना चाहिए. सब LinkedIn ही देगा तो खुद का क्या
Wow.
काम, मतलब. Yeah, so I think that is the only thing. And whenever you open a post, open with a nice opening line. And a lot of people I see write paragraphs these days. It's very difficult to read too much of paragraphs and too much of numbers. So make it
yeah.
more personalized rather than very data oriented or data heavy. And make it as like one line into like 5-6 lines and end the post. आजकल किसी के पास ज़्यादा time नहीं है पढ़ने का. So that is what I have been doing, and it's worked out well so far.
Yeah, I agree. Like there is this 2 words called see more on every LinkedIn post. So there are only 2 lines which are visible, and then you have that button see more. Once you click on see more, then you can see the entire post. And do you know like how does one impression gets counted on LinkedIn? Do you know that?
No.
So one impression means that if your post is covering more than 50% of the device on which it is viewed for more than 3 seconds, it means that you will get 1 impression. So for example, if I am putting a photo and a text, if that is covering more than 50% of the laptop screen or of your mobile screen, and if you are watching that for more than 3 seconds, it will get counted as 1 impression. That's why it is very important for you to write something so catchy in the first 2 lines so that people click on see more. It automatically covers more than 50% of the screen and automatically gets counted as an impression. So LinkedIn will push this post to newer audience.
But what if the post is just one line?
तो 1 लाइन का मतलब उसमें फोटो वगैरह डालेंगे ना वो,
नहीं, अगर नहीं डाला तो
उस पे फिर सी मोर अगर क्लिक किया एंड वो फोटो पे अगर वो पोस्ट पे दे आर स्पेंडिंग लाइक मोर देन 3 seconds, then they'll get
so
counted
then
as
the
1
only the
impression.
time will be counted.
Correct,
then,
that
no?
only the time will be counted. So that's like
Very
some
interesting.
crazy. Yeah.
So where did you get this from?
LinkedIn के वेबसाइट पे लिखा है, मतलब there is this वहाँ पे उनके वेबसाइट पे there are like some FAQs and blogs.
Declare him as the next LinkedIn India ambassador.
अभी तो youngest top voice तो ही नहीं
Youngest.
सकते.
अभी तो youngest हो भी नहीं सकते.
Okay, guys, now it's that time of the podcast. The rapid fire time.
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है मेरे को तो.
Okay.
धीरे है. मेरे को ऐसे लगा सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Guys, rapid fire में I'm supposed to roast y'all, not y'all supposed to roast me.
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Okay, but it's rapid fire time.
Yeah.
Are you all ready?
Yes
Who's
sir.
going first? It depends on that.
Radhika.
No.
Radhika, yeah.
Who would like to go first?
Arey,
Radhika,
why
Radhika.
don't we do stone paper scissors?
Okay, let's do a round of stone paper scissors.
ये सब मैं नहीं करता. Stone paper.
You don't play stone paper scissors also? No Netflix, no Amazon.
Good one.
Add to his list now.
Uh,
Radhika will go first.
are you okay with that?
Yeah.
चलो देखते हैं.
Okay.
यार एक बात बताओ, I have a question, man.
Yeah.
How is she India's youngest LinkedIn top voice?
वो बाद में
I am
करेंगे.
younger than
You-
her. I am also a top voice.
No,
So
when
in
did
that
you
way,
get
I
it?
am the India's youngest
When
top
did you
voice.
get it is the question.
है ना?
Which year did you get it in?
2022.
I got it in 2021.
तो चलेगा ना, उसके बाद तो मैं हो गया ना India's
नहीं.
Hey,
youngest.
guys, can we probably settle this off camera?
ठीक है, start the rapid fire.
Okay.
Radhika is first.
Okay.
Okay. Most cringe-worthy brand or product pitch that you've done?
I promoted this soap, which was a startup, but they told me to put a nice video of using the soap and all, but I didn't. I just put up the picture of it, and that was enough.
Okay. What's the one thing that you bought just to show off online, but then kind of regret it now?
A watch,
Which watch?
Tag Heuer, but
wow.
I regret
Oh,
it.
wow.
It
Wow.
wasn't supposed
Okay.
to be.
One influencer you secretly despise.
Kushal Lodha.
One influencer you secretly despise apart from Kushal Lodha.
नाम लेना है?
Yeah.
Okay. See, in my mind, they're an influencer. Doesn't matter if they're
Go for it.
Urfi Javed, who also will come in our
Interestingly-
conversation ahead.
Okay.
How do you know that?
Okay. What's your dream collab?
To get Indra Nui on my podcast show.
And who's the person you'd love to roast on your show?
I would want to roast Tanmay Bhatt, the
Yeah, okay.
master of all.
Well done. Well done. Kushal, over to you now. Okay. What's the most cringeworthy brand or product pitch that you have done?
So not cringeworthy, but I did a brand collab for a matchmaking company, and I
Are
got
you single?
Yeah, I'm single, and then I got a lot of comments that आप ये क्या promote कर रहे हो, हम आपको इसके लिए नहीं follow करते हैं.
Which matchmaking platform was this?
I don't want to name them
Okay.
because I mean it won't sound good, but हाँ मतलब तभी मैंने उनका वीडियो डाला था, तो उन्होंने एक ad launch की थी, and I had put that ad 1.5 minutes का. People had commented that ये सब क्या कर रहे हो.
Okay. What's the one thing that you bought just to show off online but kind of regret it now?
Online show off.
Gucci specs.
नहीं, ये ऑनलाइन शो ऑफ करने के लिए नहीं आया था, and I don't even regret. I
By
don't
the way,
even- I
before
don't
the
even
podcast,
regret
he's
it.
like कि मेरा branding दिखने वाला है कि नहीं?
कुछ भी ये सब मैंने नहीं बोला
I
था.
didn't hear this.
नहीं,
I
exactly.
heard it.
कुछ
You're
भी-
closer to him.
कुछ
Yeah.
भी कुछ भी बोल रही है. तो I think which is one product I bought it online to show off and regret it. Regret तो नहीं है, but Armani Exchange T-shirts. I bought them at मतलब डिस्काउंट चल रहा था Palladium में. मैंने कुछ 5 खरीद लिए एक साथ. 40% off.
How much did you buy them for?
So one T-shirt was, I think, MRP was 6,000, 40% off था. तो
How do you remember all of this?
Once in a lifetime moment.
Yeah, exactly. मेरे लिए तो once in a lifetime ही है. तो 3,600 per T-shirt.
What's your dream collab?
Good one. Doing a podcast with Elon Musk.
Okay. And who's the one person you'd love to roast on your show?
Roast on my show. राधिका बजोरिया.
तो बुला फिर ना, कब बुलाएगा, कब?
मजाक कर रहा हूँ. इसको तो आना है कैसे ना कैसे करके
हाँ,
शो
और
पे.
क्या?
मतलब इसको भले ही रोस्ट होके आना है या कैसे आना है कैसे नहीं. Who I
Next
would
thing you
want
know,
to
she'll
roast.
DM a cop to get on it.
Yeah, man, exactly. और she'll DM that cop की कुशल को बोलो इसको शो पे ले. I think roast किसको करना चाहूँगा? No one as such, because I think I like everyone. But since Samay Raina is like the master in that, I would want to have him on the podcast and see how he will roast me, because I'm sure like he'll roast me.
So you want to get
first.
roasted?
Yeah, actually, yeah, by Samay.
Very interesting. Okay. Last rapid fire question, which is a wild card, common for both of y'all. Okay. You all have 10 seconds to share one secret that you've never told your audience.
That I love gate crashing. That's my hobby, and I've done it in Filmfare Awards. And I was very successful at it because I got Guneet Monga's contact through it. I met her, and now she'll be coming on the podcast soon.
गेट तूने ये तो सीक्रेट तो बता दिया था ना गेट क्रैशिंग का.
अरे वो सीक्रेट थोड़ी, वो
Coldplay,
Coldplay का
हाँ,
है
तो
यार.
gate crashing
But
तो
मेरी
हुआ था.
हॉबी है गेट क्रैशिंग यार. जैसे थीफ मतलब स्टीलिंग लोगों की हॉबी होती है, वैसे ये मेरी हॉबी
Stealing
है.
लोगों की
Kleptomaniac.
hobby होती है.
Yeah, kleptomaniac. So you're a kleptomaniac for gate crashing.
हाँ, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट वर्ड. इतनी इंग्लिश आती नहीं है मेरे को, बट इफ यू से सो.
मेरे को भी नहीं समझ आया क्या. मैं तो डिक्शनरी लेके आने वाला था. कौन सा मैनिएक?
क्लेप्टो
Kleptomaniac.
मतलब क्या है भाई?
Kleptomaniac,
ऑडियंस
wow.
को भी नहीं पता होगा, समझाओ एक बार.
Kleptomaniac is somebody who's addicted to stealing things.
Oh,
Or
shit.
rather has a problem. with
चोर ना
stealing.
मतलब. चोरी हो गया ना. क्लेप्टोमेनियक क्या बोलना है? चोर.
Okay.
Okay. Kushal, your turn for one confession that no one has ever heard from you. 10 seconds. Starts now.
One secret. यार क्या है secret?
Radhika looks like is ready to talk.
I don't know
So
यार.
if you don't answer, we're going to have Radhika speak about you. I wouldn't go there if I was you.
क्या है secret? मेरे को भी नहीं पता. I think one secret that no one knows about me would be everyone knows everything about me. My life is public यार. मतलब
Not every aspect of it.
Yeah, almost every aspect of it.
Radhika, what aspect do you think people don't know about Kushal?
Just the under the carpet.
Yeah, so
Aspect.
that what under the carpet? Name one.
Whenever like let's say हम लोग जैसे समर वेकेशन में मामा के घर जाते हैं या तो whenever we go to our relatives places and all, so they make me all of them they make me dance on baby doll always, and this is something which has happened with
We
me
have
every
to
time.
do this here.
Yeah,
And
we have
पता है
to do
मतलब पता
this.
नहीं मतलब I am the youngest by the way, so all my cousins are older to me, and अभी वो होता ही है छोटा है तो सब
Is your
चीज़ के
nickname
साथ
Baby Doll?
नहीं नहीं not at all. तो उस पे हमेशा करवाते हैं एंड देन मेरे को वो स्टेप करनी पड़ती है
Wait, what
सबके
step?
सामने.
Sorry, मुझे पता
वो जो
नहीं है.
सनी
Which step?
लियोनी नहीं करती है वो स्टेप.
Which step?
Which?
अरे वो ऐसे करके ऐसे वो कमर हिलाती है टुमक 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 दैट वन. वो वाली करवाती
I don't think I can ever imagine Kushal.
है. या मैन एग्जैक्टली इवन आई कांट इमेजिन माई सेल्फ बट ठीक है करना पड़ता है.
Okay. So guys, thank you for being part of the BFC talk show. Now we're going to move on to our next segment. So guys, now this brings us to the second segment of the talk show, which is a fun little game that we've devised. It's a little evil. In front of me is a jar with a bunch of prompts. You each have to pick up 3, one at a time, and answer it. Should you choose not to answer it, we have a bottle of Tabasco right here, and you have to have 3 kind of shakes of the bottle, how many ever drops fall on your tongue. Alright? So who would like to go first?
I'll go
Kushal,
first, yeah,
he's
sure.
the spicier one. So let him take it.
इसका क्या मतलब था? He's the spicier one.
I don't know, Kushal. What have you been doing?
If you could invent a new social media platform, what would it be? I think I would. I think I would invent a social media platform where people can just like get to know the interest of the next person and connect with them. For example, let's say if I am interested in sports and the other person has mentioned their interest in sports, you just connect with them and talk and exchange your learnings and talk about a common topic
Have
randomly.
you heard of Bumble?
या बम्बल पे यही तो होता है.
बम्बल पे ये थोड़ी होता है.
होता
क्या
है.
होता है
यही होता
Bumble
है.
पे?
मैं बम्बल कभी यूज नहीं किया है. मैंने कभी यूज नहीं किया तो पता नहीं. पर वो सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म थोड़ी है.
क्यों?
Okay.
मतलब ठीक है.
Your turn, Radhika.
It's too far. I can read 30. यहाँ से. Oh shit. Pitch the most ridiculous startup idea you can think of in 30 seconds. To make financial creators wear underwear and promote it.
That's not a
That's not a
startup
startup
idea.
idea.
It can be.
No.
Nah, fail.
No, no,
Yeah, Tabasco.
Tabasco.
Yeah.
no.
Come on.
Which a bad startup idea.
Shit. कितना लेना पड़ेगा?
सही
3
में
shakes.
नहीं,
सही
Yeah.
में लगेगा.
एक ही.
3.
मैंने एक तो कुछ खाया नहीं सुबह से, ये पहली
Are you
बार.
not going to be a spot and camera?
Is it tasty?
Yeah, it is.
हाँ तो ले ले फिर और.
बस एक काफी है.
I love how she's pretending that she's normal. But her face is going red right now.
Yeah. What is the worst financial advice you have ever given someone? Invest in cryptocurrencies. I've given it to my friends. They have lost money. I've lost money as well.
I know a friend of mine would be very upset with you right now.
Yeah, I mean.
Sorry, Shaunak.
If money wasn't a problem, what business would you start tomorrow? Be a travel content creator and create a business around the.
Why don't you?
But I don't have money.
तो मनी थोड़ी चाहिए ट्रैवल करने के लिए तेरे को डीएम करना है
वो लोकली है ना.
कैन यू प्लीज स्पॉन्सर माय फ्लाइट्स
DM the cops working in the airport. The cops working in that country.
डीएम तो इमिग्रेशन वाले वो लोग सबको
But if I
डीएम
had the
करना
money, I would have the time to do this. No, my time is now invested in making money, unfortunately.
है मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स तीन ही थर्ड लास्ट है ना ये ठीक है चलो आई डोंट हैव टू टेस्ट होपफुली अरे यार व्हाट इज द क्रिंजिएस्ट लिंक्डइन पोस्ट यू हैव एवर सीन क्रिंजिएस्ट लिंक्डइन पोस्ट आई हैव एवर सीन क्रिंज कौन सा था लिंक्डइन पोस्ट I think one cringiest LinkedIn post was I'm not going to name the creator, okay?
No, if you don't name, then Tabasco.
अरे यार come on यार
Yeah.
क्रिएटर का नाम
नहीं,
थोड़ी
नहीं,
डाल
लेना
Still
सकते
have the
पड़ेगा.
Tabasco.
ऐसे नहीं.
बट
If you're
क्रिएटर
being
का
chicken,
नाम
you get
थोड़ी
being-
का डाल दे सकते हैं यार अभी वो क्रिएटर पहचान मतलब मैं पहचानता वो क्रिएटर
That's
को
what the Tabasco bottles for.
Yeah, तो ले लेना मत बोल पर ये ले ले
बट ये
फिर.
क्या है इसमें कुछ ये होता है क्या
कुछ अल्कोहल नहीं है, एकदम एडिबल है.
हाँ, it's just a spicy sauce. ये पिज्जा पे
made
डालते
out
हैं
of tomato.
रुक जा मैं हाँ चलो मैं क्रिएटर का नाम भी ले लेता हूँ ठीक है सो मैंने क्रिंजिएस्ट लिंक्डइन पोस्ट देखा था ऑफ अ क्रिएटर आई विल टेल द नेम एट द एंड एंड she wrote an entire LinkedIn post on how Byju's is a scam and how White Hat Junior and all and her name is Radhika
No.
Bajoria.
नहीं,
So that
he
was
has
the
Doesn't count,
cringiest.
now you just have to
Just
have
tell
the
him to
Tabasco.
That was the cringiest
Sorry,
LinkedIn
you try to get
post
out of it.
that
I've
I've
been
ever
attempt.
seen.
But
अबे यार ये भाई क्या है कुछ
अरे नहीं कुछ
सेहत वेहत के लिए
सेहत
अच्छा है।
हानिकारक नहीं है, कुछ नहीं.
इंग्रेडिएंट्स देख
अरे भाई जहर नहीं है.
Arey, somebody tell him how much it costs. No? Please.
वेज है ना
हाँ.
हाँ सर, वेज है. It's a spicy sauce.
इसने झूठा किया तो मैं नहीं कर
पागल है क्या?
Hey,
ऊपर
share
से
from
किया
up,
मैंने.
Baba.
अरे लेना.
सकता अरे देखो कितना मजा आ रहा है क्या गंदा
इतना
है
भी
यार
खराब नहीं था यार.
देखो ये
Water,
सब
water.
देखो ये सब बहुत ही ज्यादा स्पाइसी है
मेरे
I don't think either of you are coming back on this podcast again.
Oh my god.
यार पर मैंने क्रिंजिएस्ट पोस्ट का आंसर तो दिया था
कुछ नहीं है, तूने अभी सुन के दिया है, तूने ना ही पोस्ट वो देखा है, तो आंसर वाज इनवैलिड.
ठीक है डन
As
सो नाउ यू आल्सो हैव टू टेक आउट 3 chits
Yeah.
and then you have to
Huh?
answer
No. Now we have
of
to go
course
to the
man
next
you have
segment.
to do that the rules have been changed and you have to do
Yeah.
that be a sport Devarsh come on
Okay. If you were a product, what would your tagline be? इस्तेमाल करो फिर.
विश्वास करो good one
Okay. If you're pitching to an investor and they fell asleep, what would you do? Pitch them an energy drink.
which
that would
energy
help.
drink
Whichever one paid me to pitch them. मैं भी मारवाड़ी हूँ साहब. Come up with a slogan for an imaginary finance app. Backed by India's youngest LinkedIn top voice.
that can't be the slogan
That can't be.
yeah slogan नहीं होगा वो
Have you don't have a second chance. Have
yeah yeah
Oh, shit.
come
Yeah.
on yes चलो ये पूरा मैं पिलाता हूँ ना उधर
No, guys, I was nice. You have to be nice as well. I hate you, Suryadeep. Who came up with this idea?
Oh my god. You've had like 4 drops of it.
हाँ 4 ड्रॉप्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा ही पी लिया यार ये कोई ये अल्कोहल नहीं था कि एकदम
Okay, that brings us to the end of this segment.
पहले पानी पी
A
लो
very
आप.
rough end.
Guys, in this segment, we're going to be playing a game called Caption Wars. Because
Called,
y'all-
sorry?
Caption Wars. Because you all both are influencers. A part of it is also constantly thinking about captions. Right, so I'm going to show you all an image, and both of you all have to just say the first caption that comes to your
So,
head.
one clarification. So this caption, what, as in like, if this was a LinkedIn photo, then what do you write in the first two lines? Is that the thing?
However you want to do it. It could be
No, because then
Instagram or
both of us
LinkedIn.
should be on same page, no?
It could be LinkedIn, could be Instagram.
So
Yeah, just
let's
like
do
one,
LinkedIn,
two
no then.
line.
So let's do LinkedIn.
एक दो line
Let's do it
से
for
बोलो।
LinkedIn. Let's make it one line.
तो LinkedIn का hook क्या होगा
हाँ,
ये फोटो का
हाँ,
वैसे?
starting line.
One
Opening
line
line.
for LinkedIn.
ठीक
Okay?
है.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Here's the first picture.
ऐसे करके दिखाओ ना. हाँ ऐसे इतना दिख ही नहीं रहा है. हाँ कर तू स्टार्ट कर. कर ना.
Tips for double dating. Exchanged.
Oh God. So I'll go next. So my LinkedIn, if this is the photo I'm posting, then I'll write you spend 90% of your life working, so make sure to make very good work friends.
Yeah, I love the different directions you all take. Okay, I'm going to put the next one down, and you all can take it up and have a look at it.
$70-hour work week might not be that hard to achieve.
That's a boring one. I'll give you a better one. Right? So,
I think right now it's 120 hours, not 70.
yeah,
Is it?
120 hours.
120.
90 na?
120 is Adit.
120. 140 is Bhavish, by the way.
I heard somebody's 240 also now.
Your hands should always be engaged in some activity. No, wait. So it's going in the wrong
LinkedIn पे है
direction.
भाई,
हाँ,
Instagram
LinkedIn
नहीं है.
अब Instagram पे भी वो कैप्शन के साथ पोस्ट करेंगे क्या?
Yeah. Be selfish. It'll help you grow in life, and always calculate the ROI of every minute that you spend. If this is the
Wow, that was a good one.
Yeah.
Make sure you make your life as fascinating as the stickers on your laptop, so that you don't get burnt out.
The next time your boss fires you, send them this photograph with a laptop.
Why?
Didn't understand.
Because if he fires you, you're just fed up, no? That's why.
That's
No, that's if you quit, no? He
ठीक है.
fires you like.
ठीक है, चलो then fires as in like you're fired from the organization.
Yeah, I know, you know what fire
तो
means.
वैसे ही ना. हाँ, तो भाई बस ये भेज दो मतलब कितना गुस्सा आ रहा है.
No, laptop pick.
इसको टबास्को पिलाओ भाई.
चलो
इससे.
ठीक है. नहीं, actually यार चलो ठीक है. I'll give you a new better one. What can I give better? That reaction when your boss asks you to make a deck on a Friday evening and present it by Monday morning.
Okay.
Not bad, not bad. Has that ever happened to you?
Yeah, a lot of times. Okay.
I'll promote insurance policy with this photo. जीवन के साथ भी, जीवन के बाद भी. With this.
जीवन के बाद भी में क्या दिखाई दे रहा है?
No, it's just like two people happy,
So if
family.
you're happy, then you promote life insurance.
Using cringe photos.
You are missing the photo, you know, with the what is it called, the mala.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll do something like 10 ways to save money when you marry someone. This will be the starting point.
How?
Save.
Because yeah, I
तो-
mean,
पर
I
वो
assume
husband
that they are
wife है
married
क्या?
and then they are going to talk
I
about
can't
some
see a
tips.
ring, can you?
No, but they are assuming they are married only. Yeah, it's a couple.
One
नहीं
second. You
यार.
see a guy and a girl without wedding
चलो
rings and you
कुशल
think
की
they're
अभी एक
married?
लड़की
तो
के
ठीक है,
साथ
हाँ,
फोटो
मतलब
तो समझ जाना.
assuming that they are just got married. तो
Without
उसमें
making
वही करेंगे.
assumptions. Photo भी जाएगी.
तो क्या दूसरा assumption क्या है फिर? Why will you put a photo on LinkedIn with a random girl?
You think that's you?
No. But bata, like tell me.
No, you're
will
just
you
putting a
put-
caption for this picture.
So exactly. So 10 ways to save money when you marry.
I would
That's
say
it.
that I would basically promote specs का some company because इसमें बहुत reflection आ रहा है दोनों के specs में आंखें दिख ही नहीं रही है.
क्या observation है. Or maybe something like, let's say, 10 ways to impress someone in your office.
Not making
This,
any
this
sense.
talk show has gotten very oddly in a completely different direction than we
I mean, the photos that you are giving are also in completely different direction. I wouldn't be surprised if you just give a nude photo of someone and ask us to write what is the caption.
No,
of it.
we have a picture of you in an underwear camera. Don't worry.
How diversity plays a key role in the success of your company.
She's done the boring stuff or the politically correct stuff. Not boring, guys.
Behind every successful man, there is a woman. वो ही है.
क्या?
There are two women. No, that's it. और क्या?
Kushal, I think you may be cancelled after this podcast.
Not at all.
It was. How did you enjoy your LinkedIn influencing career?
Very good. I am joining Bombay Founders Club now.
Last one.
It's better to trade in a BMW than sitting in an office without an AC
आपको सही गाड़ी देखा ना?
and wearing like a fancy Rolex watch. How trading can get you
हाँ,
the
वैसे कुछ
lifestyle
better
you
होगा ना.
desire, the fancy lifestyle you desire.
You have to
Yes,
snatch
this-
the BMW out of her hand.
This is
Kushal.
trading. Okay.
Stocks.
Stocks and all. So see, I think one caption for this would be that I bought a new Rolex for 14 lakh rupees and a BMW for 50 lakh rupees by trading in stock markets.
Too much of show
This
off.
will be but this will work very well on LinkedIn. If you write this and if you do this photo, it will work very well.
I
Because see,
think that
the
will work
reason
very well in life. आप 90 लाख खर्च किए तो लोग आएंगे sir.
I'll tell you, whenever someone posts about, let's say, how, if they've bought a house or if they've bought a car, if they've bought something, and if they write the amount, those posts work usually well. So, which is why for my Coldplay post, I intentionally wrote, I spent rupees 18,000 for the first concert of my life, Coldplay. This was the hook.
Good.
And even if people are like कि यार मतलब लोग बोलेंगे, एक तो लोग ये रिएक्ट करेंगे ये तो पागल है, 18,000 रुपए भर के गया है, या तो शॉक में होगी कि 18,000 भर के किधर गया कुशल, मेरे को भी देखना है. So see more पे क्लिक करेंगे and then जाएगा.
मैं भी लिखूं क्या फिर Coldplay का hook
You
line?
actually इसका तो बेस्ट है. I went to Coldplay for free just by DMing the Mumbai police. इसने ये लिख
मुंबई
दिया.
पुलिस.
हाँ, नवी मुंबई पुलिस. तो you are ये तो बहुत चलेगा ये वाला पोस्ट.
चलो
This
उसकी
is
फोटो
virality
मैं
hack.
देती हूँ तुमको, वो दिखा देना और इसका कैप्शन बता देना.
This is the virality hack. This is how you write hooks on LinkedIn.
Guys, just before I let you all go, I want you all in 10 seconds to say the most viral hook that you all can think of in life. No
Most
matter what.
viral
Life.
hook. क्या होगा most
About
viral?
yourselves.
Ourselves.
Yeah. What do you think is the most viral part about you?
So not viral, but I'll say something like I got an All India rank 6 in my CA entrance, All India rank 5 in CA Inter, All India rank 5 in CA finals, All World rank 3 in ACCA, All India rank 2 in ACCA. But still I am doing something which is not related to these courses. So this will work well.
But why?
Because this is something which is like unconventional and controversial. कि यार इतना सब किया फिर भी ये videos क्यों बना रहा है? Or maybe something like I did all these ranks
Yeah.
just to make videos on social media. Something of that sort.
Interesting. What about you?
How I studied marketing and landed up in a law firm and now doing my own business in finance.
इतना वायरल नहीं होगा ये. मे बी वायरल वो कोल्ड प्ले वाला ज्यादा होगा. सही में वो वाला बेटर है. फ्री
पर
में
उसने लाइफ के बारे में पूछा है मेरे, अभी
But-
मेरी लाइफ Coldplay थोड़ी बना दूंगी मैं.
नहीं, बट वायरल हुक बोला है
You'd
ना.
be surprised how many people in Bombay have made Coldplay their lives for the last few
Yeah,
months.
exactly.
Yeah.
I think a few of them have attained moksha and nirvana after attending Coldplay.
Yeah, Radhika is one of them, no? No, seriously.
Yeah, that's why I'm able
Dude,
to speak
yesterday
today.
also at Soho House, पूरा टाइम वो स्क्रीनिंग चल रहा था कोल्डप्ले का, मतलब वो फ्री में देख के आई कॉन्सर्ट और फिर भी उसको
She's
फ्री में
paid for
स्क्रीनिंग
it. Seen it for free.
हाँ एंड फ्री में
Seen it for
स्क्रीनिंग
life.
भी देखनी है। और वो भी कब तक पता है, मतलब वो एंड में थैंक यू बोल रहा है, सबको थैंक कर रहा है, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स को। मैंने बोला अभी क्या हो गया ना, तो बोल रही है कि अरे गार्ड्स को थैंक यू बोल रहा है, सुनने देना क्या बोल रहा है वो। मतलब लेजिट एंड तक पूरा देखना है, एंड तक पूरा, मतलब थैंक यू और वो जब तक बाय नहीं करके गया ना, एंड तक सारों पीछे नहीं गए। फिर मैंने बोला चलो अभी ऊपर चलते हैं, बोले नहीं वो स्क्रीन ब्लैक होने देना, वो स्क्रीन चालू है, स्क्रीन ब्लैक होने के बाद चलते हैं ऊपर। माय गॉड मैन, क्रेजी।
On that note, thank you for a lovely first episode
Thanks
of
so
the
much.
BFC talk show. You all have been great guests, and thank you for coming here. And all the best for your future endeavors.
Wow.
Thank you. Hope BFC succeeds and thrives.